With cloud today, it's mostly a self-service, self-managed environment. Users often interact with the cloud through a web-based cloud management portal that helps them deploy and manage those resources appropriately. In a good, strong cloud management portal, they're typically looking for two items, and that's visibility and control. First, the enterprise needs to see across the entire environment what resources are being used by what business units. Secondly, they require control. They need the ability to change resources, to scale as the environment or business needs change. Most managed cloud providers have moved beyond basic functionality to more advanced features. They're offering enterprises the ability to customize that portal based on who's using it. Enterprises the ability for smart analytics that alert IT to when something is wrong with the environment, mobile integration. And finally, they're offering open source application programming interface integration. Today, I really like the looks of a company called Cloudnexa. They're a Philadelphia, Pennsylvania-based managed services provider who's offering added functionality for users who want to better manage their Amazon Web Services or AWS environments. Cloudnexa offers the opportunity to have some added assistance and some added visibility and control in the AWS environment. It gives customers better billing capabilities. It allows them to do chargebacks by business unit. It provides greater resource management and control, more so than the AWS management portal does by itself. It allows for smarter analytics and security and compliance. It also allows for greater governance of the total AWS environment to ensure that you're complying with any regulatory or security concerns. Cloudnexa's vNOC management portal operates on a really unique utility-based pricing that's similar to what an enterprise's cloud infrastructure is typically billed as. For example, they don't incur any startup costs or any onboarding costs. Customers simply engage Cloudnexa, they start up with the service, and then they are billed at the end of their first month for exactly the metered usage that they've used during that month. Cloudnexa's vNOC management portal makes managing an AWS environment so much easier for customers, whereas customers with multiple accounts on AWS, just using AWS alone, have to manage that environment through more than one different management portal. So if two separate business units have two separate AWS accounts, those are managed separately. But using Cloudnexa, the customer has the ability to aggregate those accounts, see how much infrastructure is being used across those accounts, and manage them as a single pool rather than as two separate accounts. It's giving them greater visibility into their total spend. It's giving them greater control to manage those resources more effectively. And the Cloudnexa vNOC portal also has greater capabilities than AWS's management does alone.